All right, so the tire shop just called me, so now it's time to go get the wheels. Back at Rad Performance, pick my wheels up, pay them their money. So I'll be back with y'all as soon as I get to loading these bad boys up. All right, so now we have wheels with tires on them. They pretty too. Rad, as always, hooked your boy up. Awesome prices. If you ever in the area and you need some tires, wheels, suspension, whatever, Rad Performance, R-A-D Performance. They will hook you up. They've taken care of me for 6 years. Now, let's head to the house. As soon as I pulled up, oh, man, it started raining and it's still raining. So I'm gonna go to the house, wait for the rain to stop. If it stops, and we'll get them thrown on. So I'll be back. Maybe not. Alright, so the sun is out. Let's see if we can get these wheels on. And while your wheel is off, it's a good time to inspect. Everything is important to inspect stuff periodically. Health report, axle is about to die. And I need to put a rubber something in there so it's not metal on metal. But other than that, everything looks good. So let's go get the front wheel. So this is gonna be a front wheel. Let me grab my eccentric spacers. All right, so that's the front down, and woo! So let me get the rears, and let's go ahead and take care of that. So on the rears, eccentric 5mm adapter off of eBay. I'll put the link in the description below. Alright, so I'll be back once the other side is done and the car is on the ground. But I will say that those brake calipers look really good behind those wheels. Alright, so 3 are on. 1 is not on because we have a leak at the valve stem. I got the one wheel with the leak. I have valve stem and seals and all that stuff. The shop closes in like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna try to run by there and see if they can put a new seal on the valve stem or whatever. So I'll be back when I get the wheel back. All right, and just like that, it is 4:45. I got here at 4:28, 4:45, 4:46. I'm back in my truck. Got the valve, I gave them another one of my valve stems, and I gave them new valve stem seals. They got it on there. I'm in the truck. I'm telling y'all, Rad Performance is the place that will get you right. They will take care of you. Let's get back to the house and let's get this one mounted up and let's check out the fitment. All right, so this was the leaky wheel. So now it's time to torque the lug nuts, and I torqued mine to 80 foot-pounds. And now for the icing on the cake. Boom. So there we have it. So now let's get it off the blocks and let's check out clearance on air out. All right, so right now it's dark. Tomorrow's supposed to be really nice, so I'll be back after I wash it. All right, everybody, we have a decently clean Mazda on freshly rebuilt Weds Kranze Ratzingers. 19 by 10.5 rear, then 19 by 10 in the front. But man, this thing looks so good to me. And these calipers with the gold lug nuts and the neochrome hardware, and man, this thing looks good to me. Having 3-inch lips all the way around. I was worried about them looking small, but they look good. And I mean, fitment is on the money. You know, people might not care for the style of wheel, but I love this wheel because it is a simple 5-spoke wheel. I appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know what y'all like. Let me know what your favorite wheels are, and I will see you all next time. Peace.